Surah Al-Hashr, The Gatherings. This surah is Madinan, containing 3 sections and 24 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
سبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
All that is in the heavens and the earth glorifies Allah, and He is the most exalted, the most wise.
هو الذي أخرج الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب من ديارهم لأول الحشر ما ظننتم أن يخرجوا وظنوا أنهم مانعتهم حصونهم من الله فأتاهم الله من حيث لم يحتسبوا وقذف في قلوبهم الرعب يخربون بيوتهم بأيديهم وأيدي المؤمنين فاعتبروا يا أولي الأبصار.
It is He who expelled those who disbelieved among the people of the book from their settlements when they were first compelled to emigrate, i.e. Hashr. You did not think that they would leave, and they thought that their castles would protect them from Allah. So the command of Allah came from where they did not even expect, and it cast awe into their hearts, and they abandoned their homes with their own hands and the hands of the Muslims. So learn a lesson, O people of insight.
ولولا أن كتب الله عليهم الجلاء لعذبهم في الدنيا ولهم في الآخرة عذاب النار.
And had it not been for Allah decreeing exile for them, He would certainly have punished them in this world, and there is the punishment of the fire for them in the hereafter.
ذلك بأنهم شاقوا الله ورسوله ومن يشاق الله فإن الله شديد العقاب.
This is because they oppose Allah and His Messenger, and whosoever opposes Allah, then Allah is truly severe in retribution.
ما قطعتم من لينة أو تركتموها قائمة على أصولها فبإذن الله وليخزي الفاسقين.
The trees which you have cut down or left standing upon their roots, it was with the permission of Allah, and that He may humiliate the disobedient.
وما أفاء الله على رسوله منهم فما أوجفتم عليه من خيل ولا ركاب ولكن الله يسلط رسله على من يشاء والله على كل شيء قدير.
And whatever spoils Allah has given His Messenger from them, so you did not ride horses or camels for it. Nonetheless, Allah grants ascendancy to His messengers over whomsoever He wills, and Allah has power over everything.
ما أفاء الله على رسوله من أهل القرى فلله وللرسول ولذي القربى واليتامى والمساكين وابن السبيل كي لا يكون دولة بين الأغنياء منكم وما آتاكم الرسول فخذوه وما نهاكم عنه فانتهوا واتقوا الله إن الله شديد العقاب.
Whatever spoils Allah has given His messenger from the people of the towns, so it is for Allah, His messenger, close relatives, orphans, the destitute, and the travellers, so that wealth does not only circulate between the rich among you. Whatever the messenger grants you, take it, and whatever he forbids, refrain from it. And fear Allah. Allah is truly severe in retribution.
للفقراء المهاجرين الذين أخرجوا من ديارهم وأموالهم يبتغون فضلا من الله ورضوانا وينصرون الله ورسوله أولئك هم الصادقون.
For the poor migrants who were expelled from their homes and their wealth, while they seek grace from Allah and divine acceptance, and they help the religion of Allah and His Messenger, it is they who are the truthful.
والذين تبوأوا الدار والإيمان من قبلهم يحبون من هاجر إليهم ولا يجدون في صدورهم حاجة مما أوتوا ويؤثرون على أنفسهم ولو كان بهم خصاصة ومن يوق شح نفسه فأولئك هم المفلحون.
And those who made the city and faith an abode before them, they love those who migrated to them, and they do not find any jealousy within their hearts for what they were granted, and they give preference over themselves, even if they themselves are in need. And whosoever was saved from the greed of his soul, then it is they who are successful.
والذين جاءوا من بعدهم يقولون ربنا اغفر لنا ولإخواننا الذين سبقونا بالإيمان ولا تجعل في قلوبنا غلا للذين آمنوا ربنا إنك رؤوف رحيم.
And those who come after them say, O our Lord, forgive us and our brothers who preceded us in faith, and do not place any enmity in our hearts for people of faith. O our Lord, indeed you are most compassionate, most merciful.
ألم تر إلى الذين نافقوا يقولون لإخوانهم الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب لئن أخرجتم لنخرجن معكم ولا نطيع فيكم أحدا أبدا وإن قوتلتم والله يشهد إنهم لكاذبون.
Did you not see the hypocrites saying to their brothers, the disbelieving people of the book, "We swear, if you are expelled, we shall most definitely leave with you, and we will never obey anyone in your matter. And if you are fought, we will most certainly help you. Allah bears witness that indeed they are liars."
لئن أخرجوا لا يخرجون معهم ولئن قوتلوا لا ينصرونهم ولئن نصروهم ليولن الأدبار ثم لا ينصرون.
Surely, if they, i.e. the Jews, are expelled, they, i.e. the hypocrites, will not leave with them. If they are fought, they will not help them. And if they help them, they will most definitely turn their backs. Then they will not be helped.
لأنتم أشد رهبة في صدورهم من الله ذلك بأنهم قوم لا يفقهون.
Indeed, there is more intense fear of you in their hearts than of Allah. This is because they are people of no understanding.
لا يقاتلونكم جميعا إلا في قرى محصنة أو من وراء جدر بأسهم بينهم شديد تحسبهم جميعا وقلوبهم شتى ذلك بأنهم قوم لا يعقلون.
They will not fight you together, except in fortified cities or from behind walls. Their internal strife is most severe. You consider them united, yet their hearts are divided. This is because they are people who have no sense.
كمثل الذين من قبلهم قريبا ذاقوا وبال أمرهم ولهم عذاب أليم.
Like those who recently preceded them, they taste the evil of their actions and there is painful punishment for them.
كمثل الشيطان إذ قال للإنسان اكفر فلما كفر قال إني بريء منك إني أخاف الله رب العالمين.
Like Satan, when he said to man, "Disbelieve," so when he disbelieved, he said, "Indeed I am free from you. Indeed I fear Allah, Lord of all the worlds."
فكان عاقبتهما أنهما في النار خالدين فيها وذلك جزاء الظالمين.
So the outcome of both was that they will be in the fire, residing therein forever. And this is the recompense of the oppressors.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله ولتنظر نفس ما قدمت لغد واتقوا الله إن الله خبير بما تعملون.
O you who believe, fear Allah. Every soul must look at what it has sent forth for tomorrow. So fear Allah. Certainly Allah is aware of all that you do.
ولا تكونوا كالذين نسوا الله فأنساهم أنفسهم أولئك هم الفاسقون.
And do not be like those who forgot Allah. So He made them forget themselves. It is they who are the disobedient.
لا يستوي أصحاب النار وأصحاب الجنة أصحاب الجنة هم الفائزون.
The people of the fire and the people of paradise are not equal. The people of paradise, they are the successful.
لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون.
Had this Quran been revealed upon a mountain, you would certainly see it humbled, broken to pieces from the fear of Allah. And we state these examples for people that they may reflect.
هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم.
He is Allah, other than whom there is no God, knower of the concealed and the apparent. He is the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون.
He is Allah, other than whom there is no God, the sovereign, the most pure, the giver of peace, the giver of refuge, the protector, the most exalted, the most grand, the declarer of His majesty. Allah is pure from what they associate as partners with Him.
هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
He is Allah, the creator, the initiator, the giver of form. All beautiful names belong to Him. Everything in the heavens and the earth glorifies Him, and He is the most exalted, the most wise.